Dogmabe. Winis.
Now I'm going to sleep. Because if I get late sleep, I get insomnia. I can't sleep all night. I recover my sleep in the morning. Hi to my team viewers, shout out. It's very cold here, so I'm wearing long pants. Shout out to my viewers and comment guys. And comment down. No, I love this one. I love this design. I can't reach my hair like that. Hello guys. Hello to my 11 viewers guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Please secret. Huwag ka na mag-comment na mga ganyan. Isipin mo lang. Ano ba yan? Mag-bad comments guys. No, I don't accept. Alam na, magko-comment pa. Ano ba yan? I can touch. What's this? No. Hi there, hello. Bakit ang ganyan? Ang ganyan. Hi! Guys, Sir R is still not in the mood. I get her up, but she's busy with her classmates there making projects, so we just wait. Shout out to Sir R. Thank you for coming. I know I really think that sometimes I get very stressed because I can't do my job, but I'm still trying for it. Okay, don't worry. I'm not taking rush because maybe somebody should not operate with me. Okay, please for us send super chat, super stickers. Hello guys, so those who watch me, send support to the host, and the host will be happy. They're very sleepy. Goodness.